Reception, welcome to your phonics lessons today. We're going to start by looking at our sound cards and saying the sounds. A. S. D. T. E. N. P. G. O. K. K. A. F. E. U. Okay, reception. Today in phonics we're going to be learning a new sound. So I'm going to give us a little drum roll, ready? Because we've got a new sound today. Now, this sound looks a little bit different because it is two letters together that make one sound. So normally we're used to just seeing one letter, aren't we, that makes a sound. Today we've got two letters that we put together to make one sound, okay? Now this has got a special name. It's called a special friend. Can you say that? A special friend. Can you say it again? A special friend. Well done. Now, a special friend is when we have two letters together that make one sound, okay? Can you say that? Two letters together that make one sound, okay? Now, this special friend makes the sound shh. Can you say that? Ready? My turn. Shh. Your turn. 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 It's a special friend. It's two letters that make one sound, and the sound is shh. Okay, let's have a look at the back. So we have a s and a h together, and they make shh, and it's shh, says the horse to the hissing snake. Shh. Okay. Now, when I show you this side, I want you to say shh, okay? And when I show you this side, you're going to say a word that has shh in it, and that is a shark. I'm going to try and do a shark's fin. I don't know if you can see a shark's fin. So, shark, shh, shark, shh. Okay, let's see if you can do it. Let's see who's going to win. Ready? Here we go. Shh. Shark. Shh. Shh. Whoopsie. Shark. Shark. Shh. 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 So our new learning today, reception, is shh. Okay, reception. Now we're going to practice reading some green words. So we're going to be blending. So we're going to say each sound first, and then we're going to put them together to see if we can hear the word. And look who's come to help us. Say hello, Fred. Fred's here to help us with our words. So here we go. Ready? Ad. Add. Had. Hen. Are you saying these with me, reception? Oh, look, it's our new sound. It's our special friend. Sh, op, sh, op, shop. It's our special friend again. Sh, ip, sh, ip, ship. W-ish, w-ish, wish. Okay, and that's our green. Oh no, I've got some more green words. Ready, reception? Here we go. All, ip, lip. Ish, ish, fish. At, fat. Og, log. Et, let. It, hit. And one more, reception. Fun. Okay, reception. Fred, what did you think of reception's blending today? Did you think it was good? Oh, that's amazing. Fred, oh, hang on, Fred wants to tell me something. Fred says you are all superstars. Well done, reception. Okay. Okay, reception, before we finish quickly, I just want to go through the sounds one more time with you. Ready? Ah. S. D. T. I. N. P. G. O. K. K. A. F. E. O. And our new sound, sh. Well done for Super Phonics, reception. I'll see you soon. Bye.